Check out those mountains here. That's Tram Mountain. T-R-A-M, Tram Mountain. Not Tram Mountain, Tram Mountain. Oh, look at that pond. Limestone Mountain. And it's a lot cooler out here because of all the vegetation. You see some grapefruit over there. Some more longans. Rice. Let's have a bit of a ride around this mountain area. Rice paddies. Oh, they've even got a spa here. I wonder if they've got massage here. Oh, they have. Massage with extra services. Come on. Doesn't look too high, probably like 50 meters or something. Watch out for the cows. Hello, cow. This is the mountain here, so we're going to have a bit of a ride around it through the little jungle area. Look at all those ponds in there, man. That's pretty cool. I wonder if there's any springs. Seems to be a lot of water around this area. Oh, I'm sure I saw a crocodile just over there. Something over here moving. Let's have a look and continue. Explore. Tram Mountain. Wow, so cool. Very, very cool. What's this way? Oh, these guys are using the limestone to make statues. Wow, that's cool. Oh, I see a few of them along here are using the limestone to make statues and ornaments and stuff. Here we go. It's all limestone, guys. Even over here. Check it all out. All these are all limestone. So they're using the mountain resources to make these. They call them banters. Banter is like an altar. An altar is what you use to pray. You put food on or money on and you pray to your God or your family that's passed on or whatever. So they're making banter. Look at them all. And also they look like gravestones. So normally they put that over the grave. I'm sure I got that right because I've seen a lot of these in the cemeteries. So it's good that the locals here are utilizing the resources to help them make some money, you know, and I guess to preserve the mountain, and hopefully they can, preserve the nature vibes here, which is a good thing. Not sure if you can get up there. I wonder how you walk up that mountain. Look at all those. All these limestones. Hello! Hello! Xin chao! So they've got the Buddhas, they've got the Shivas. Hello!
Hello!
Xin chào!
Xin chào!
Anh yêu em, anh chào em, anh chào em. The lady wanted me to buy something. Maybe I'll go back soon. Just want to have a little look around. See a lot of the locals just sitting here, relaxing, chillaxing. So they've always got these little carts. Ah, so there's a temple above. There's a temple in there. Maybe the temple's in there. Or maybe up there. This way it goes. I can't find a way to get up the mountain. I'll tell you what we can do, guys, because we can't get up that mountain, is we'll look for a spot to throw the drone up and we'll do some flyovers over that mountain, eh? See how we go with that. The mountain's just there. So we managed to get the fly cam up there over the mountain. Some pretty cool vibes. It's just after lunch, so now I'm feeling hungry. I'm gonna head to Peace Vegan Buffet restaurant and get a $3 all-you-can-eat buffet. Feeling a little bit hungry. So we're gonna make our way back into the city now. It's been a cool little ride out here. Through the nature vibes. Look at all that limestone there, man. Huge. If you do come to like Vietnam, you'll find most of the mountains here are quite limestony. The ones in Ninh Binh especially. If you've never been to Ninh Binh, Ninh Binh is like so much of the limestone there. It's quite crazy actually. Anyway guys, let's head on out and get back to the city. distance there is Bavi Mountain. Not sure if you can see it, but I made a vlog about that mountain. We went up there, I think it was like 3 or 4 months ago, actually last year. It was pretty cold back then. I think I got up there in November, so yeah, 7 months ago, 7 or 8 months ago. Really good ride up there. It's getting close to the city, west side, Hanoi. So we're going to head to West Lake and Peace Vegan Buffet Restaurant. Get the $3 New Zealand all-you-can-eat vibes. I think it's one of the best vegan restaurants in Hanoi. Alright guys, so we are here at Peace Vegan. Lakes out there. And time to load up on some lunch goodness. Catch you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Experience the journey, inspire others. Live life, guys. Peace.